Impressed by rockets at a Technofest event he attended, Ridvan decides to embark on an exciting journey of designing his own rocket by his tablet. He uses the X-Shape application to meticulously design his rocket. Eager to share his innovative ideas, Ridvan engaged in a thoughtful conversation with his friend HANEN.
During their discussion, HANEN recognized the potential in Ridvan's concept and took the initiative to plan a project around it, determined to bring this vision to life. She meticulously laid out the steps required to transform Ridvan's idea into a tangible reality. HANEN created a new project plan. In the project planning application, she set the start date of the project and added Ridvan from the members section to the project plan. HANEN creates an assembly task to combine rocket and tower. She added the necessary files for the task in the attachments section. She assigned the task to herself. HANEN dragged the task to the in-work state and returned to the SolidWorks screen to do the task. She delved into the process of assembling the various components of the rocket with a simple drag-and-drop technique within the 3D Experience window. During the assembly process, HANEN noticed a critical flaw in the wing angle that would result in the rocket's wings colliding with the tower upon launch. She uses 3D markup to visually demonstrate the issue to Ridvan by dragging the assembly from SolidWorks and placing it into 3D markup. HANEN creates a new markup and writes a description of the problem. She used the markup tools to indicate the problem. She used the Issue Management app. She assigns the problem as a task to Ridvan, providing clear instructions regarding the due date and priority level.
Meanwhile, Ridvan receives a notification from HANEN through the Issue Management app. He accesses the dashboard and proceeds to the Issue Management page. Ridvan opens the task titled Error in the Wings. In order to analyze the situation further, he is drag and drop the markup in the Attachments section into the 3D Markup application. After examining HANEN's markup and note, Ridvan realizes where the problem is and update the task state to in work. Ridvan accesses his rocket design in X-Shape and initiates a new revision, providing the required details in the revision description. He modifies the wing angle to 45 degrees and saves the changes. Returning to the Issue Management page, Ridvan includes an explanatory comment in the Comments section, then updating the task to the In Approval status.
HANEN takes action with the notifications from Ridvan and sees the message about the task. She returns to the SolidWorks screen and selects the file of the rocket and chooses the Reload from Server option. She sees the cross and right-clicks on the file and selects Replace by Revision to load the last revision. Select A to revision from the window that opens and confirm. Realizing that the problem is solved, HANEN returns to the dashboard screen. She responds to Ridvan's comment. She moves the task to completed status.
After receiving a notification from HANEN, Ridvan goes to the Issue Management page and selects completed tasks by filtering. He opens the related task and sees HANEN's response. He goes to the Project Planning page and fills the attachments and deliverable sections in the revision task he created for the workflow, and moves the task to completed status.
After the final checks, HANEN updates the assembly task to completed status and ends the task.